Okay, so here we are back on the 252. This is just going to be a real quick video of the last project that we had to do here, and that is adding some solar for our trolling motor and also as a backup battery system. So these are two 100-watt panels. At peak, they provide about 48 volts. We've actually used these on 3 other boats, and the panels actually way outperform what they're rated at. So back inside under the boat here, here's a 36-volt battery that we put in with the trolling motor. We've added a Victron Smart Shunt. We've got 2 bus bars here, running all our hots and negatives off the trolling motor, and solars and everything running in. Up here we are running a 150 watt 35 amp solar controller, and then this is the little backup that we added, and we've added this to all our guide boats that we've had. So this is an isolated DC to DC charger. It's rated to go from 48 volts down to 12 volts at 20 amps. So what that is just an emergency backup for your house and starting battery. If for some reason you're out, we run a lot of electronics, as you've seen over some of our installs that we've done. If we run those batteries down, I can turn that on, and in about 10 minutes, both batteries will be at 80%. And that draws off our 36-volt lithium. So again, it's just a backup, if you will. But it's a nice, safe one to have. So this is our solar system. We monitor this through a tablet that we have on board. Today is partly cloudy, and even in partly cloudy conditions, the panels were putting out just about 50 volts. So again, they always come in way overrated, or higher than they're rated for. So there you go. Quick short video on the solar on Triple D Outfitters 252.